What you been done, dog?
Yo, dog, okay. Juve, dog.
Juve?
Yeah, what you see that? It said 50 at the gate. You what? 50 at the gate.
50 again.
What? 50? $50. What?
Hello? Who is? Bill collector. How much more you? What? Eh? Right now, Juby the fire out, check it back when top blaze, you see me? Cause my money broke. Mad Ross people, I tried Bill collect me. Bill collect them mama. Right now, just get a call from Bridget and him tell me say, Porsche seems to mash up the country. Andrew Wallace if you run this. Yeah,
Who?
Andrew Wallace.
Nah, man, a Porsche, Mr. Man.
Mad, yeah, mad.
Nah, man. Porsche, dog.
Think like
Power, Porsche.
power your mother. Shower!
Shower your
Mr.
girl.
Shower!
Shower your girl.
Shower!
Power.
Shower!
Mr. Power.
Mr. Shower!
Mr. Power.
Mr. Shower!
Mr. Power.
Mr. Shower!
Mr. Power.
Mr. Shower! Mr. Shower! Mr. Shower!
Don't sit down. Next time, boy, they move the goat them, yeah. What time is it? Yo, try to move the goat them.
No.
Me bomb buckler. Them are gonna tease me goat them.
What you want? What else want me take from you? Me take your phone, me take your keys, me take your money, me take your wallet, me take all the check. What else you want me take from you? What else have it?
One more game. Give me one more chance to have something you might like.
What?
Look for my wife, dog. Bet that for everything. What you say?
That look good. You hook a bit. Me say you hook a bit.
Yo.
You sure? Cause
Uku tight.
you don't want to lose everything. Alright, we go all in.
Alright.
All in.
Alright.
All in.
Alright.
I'm gonna try back with you at your money. Blood God! You're mine tonight.
Bumbo clad.
Me soul! Take that! I'm gonna murder your bumbo! Yo, daddy, get up, daddy. What time you supposed to work, daddy?
Yeah, what time I know?
3 o'clock.
What?
3 o'clock.
Bumbo clad. Now get fired now to pussy clad.
How would I expect to clean this? I'm mad. Yo, look how clean up this blow. Be done with this shit now. I'm tired. Charass, man.
Yeah, see? Yeah, man, boy, I'm something idea to wash out my heart, you know, dog. Oh, yeah, the wash I bought up already?
In the front store.
Word, dog, yeah, swap water. No, we never have to deal with that. What is this? This peppermint? No, we never have to. What is this? Ginger? No, I don't know. Alright, mint? This is fine. Hold on. Wait, what is this? What I have?
Dog, I'm Mr. City there, dog.
Dog,
That's a look for.
it done?
Just don't clean it.
The man done, Mr. City! No, I
Got to do it. Next time, clean up the Ross kitchen.
Cut I can't cut you in two. One penny can't buy your soul. You put them up and love them.
Yo, daddy, get up.
Copy,